Hi, I'm Lewis from Madill Motor Group, and today I'd like to talk to you about what's included in a dealership service and why going genuine is the best option. Here at Madill Motor Group, you can rest assured that your vehicle is in great hands. We carry out complete logbook servicing by factory-trained technicians. This means that your vehicle is serviced in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications. These services vary depending on time or kilometres travelled. This is one of the many areas that set us apart from our non-genuine competitors that are likely to quote the bare minimum, an oil and filter change using non-genuine parts, and then upsell to a logbook service on the day, leaving you no time to plan or budget. There's no hidden extras in our logbook servicing, and our qualified experts will ensure all services include a thorough inspection of your vehicle and report on any additional maintenance that may be required. We use genuine parts and carry out all safety-related recall checks. Our technicians are trained to know the ins and outs of the vehicle, ensuring you stay safe on the road with a reliable car. We are backed by our manufacturers and warrant all our servicing work and repairs. So, please feel free to get in contact with one of our friendly trained service advisors. We would love the opportunity to provide a no obligation complete logbook service quote. Oh, what a feeling, Toyota.